Hello students.
Welcome to We Karnataka.
This is Baswaraj sir.
This is Gopika ma'am.
We are your biology
Biology
master
master
teachers.
teachers.
Welcome to channel students. Ellaru. Sarna. So students, you might be aware that every single year the competition in KCET is increasing.
Drastically.
Every year, no ma'am. Last year it was around
3,75,000, yeah.
So this year the competition will be around 4 lakh students. And let me tell you students, if you think that after your class 12th, 1 month gap, either 1 month gap, one monthly kalthbettu, I will score really high. It is not going to work like that. Because students, you need to understand your KCET also demands a lot of time and attention. Right, ma'am?
Exactly. So students, do not take it as a very easy competitive exam because there's no negative marking. You should give the same concentration that you would give for your NEET or JEE preparation.
So it is very important because if you score really well in your NEET examination, the dream college ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. A dream college ಅಲ್ಲಿ dream branch ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ.
Same thing goes for KCET also. In NEET, what happens exactly happens in KCET. You get into a good college.
Exactly. So students, if you want to score really well, please start right now. And the first step in your preparation is, ma'am,
Understanding the syllabus.
exactly. Because last year, tumba problems ಆಯ್ತು. Like 50 questions out of syllabus. And those 50 questions, ma'am, what happened after that?
Those 50 questions were not even considered. And students were very sad because that much time. Sir, 50 questions.
Exactly. If those 50 questions were out of syllabus, students could have taken
That's
you
1 hour. Almost an hour.
They could have spent on some other questions they later on.
Exactly.
So students, first step is knowing the syllabus. So please watch the video till very end to know the syllabus. Then you need to know the weightage, and lastly,
And the deleted topics. So adik munche subscribe ಮಾಡಿ channel na because solid content is going to come for KCET as well as both.
ಸೊ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾನಲ್ನ, ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ನ್ಯೂ NCERT ಫೈನಲ್. Simple, dimple. The entire syllabus is going to be your new NCERT, ma'am.
So yes students, same thing, the living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. We'll tell you deleted topics of all these chapters, so do not worry, okay? Morphology, anatomy, structural organization, cell, the unit of life, biomolecules, cell cycle and cell division, photosynthesis, respiration, plant growth.
Here you can see 2 chapters deleted.
Yeah.
Mineral nutrition and as well as your transport deleted.
Okay? Yes.
Here ma'am, one chapter.
Here, breathing. So, digestion is deleted. Before breathing, digestion was there. Breathing, body fluids, excretion, locomotion, neural control, chemical coordination. Now, here, locomotion and movement, we do not see any more questions in KCET as such.
Maximum
I think
alternatives here, one question per
one question, yeah. So, that's why we are not going to focus on that. Sir, please go with the 12.
So in class 12, first chapter is obviously deleted: reproduction organisms, sexual reproduction, flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, principles of inheritance and variation, molecular basis of inheritance, evolution. Here, the chapter strategies deleted: microbes, human health and diseases, biotech. Both chapters are there. Then if you see here, okay, one second. Organism and population, ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation. Here, one chapter that is ecosystem has been, not ecosystem, that is the environmental issues has been deleted here.
Yeah.
So ನಿಮಗೆ syllabus ಗೊತ್ತು ಈಗ. You know the syllabus. This is the syllabus which you need to follow KCET examination. Anything outside, you'll get bonus.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So don't read anything outside NCERT. Not possible. Right, ma'am?
Yes, students.
Now, weightage.
Weightage. Okay, so usually on a normal scale, before we go to the weightage, we'll just give you an introduction that your first PU will have a 20 to 30% weightage.
30% weightage. Higher weightage to class 12.
Yeah,
Because
class
fresh
12.
memory ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So
ಅದೇ.
high weightage for class 12, less weightage for class 11.
So around 70 to 75% is going to be from class 12. So let's just go through it. So,
See, if you see here, diversity, living world, 1 question, maximum 1, or sometimes if exam is in good mode, 2 questions, easy question. Then bioclassification, 1 to 2 questions, body fluid and circulation, 2 to 3 questions. So you can notice in human physiology, 2 to 3 questions are there.
Yeah.
And students, this entire PDF will be available, right?
yeah. So we'll be sharing all this PDF on our Telegram. So those students who haven't joined our Telegram, very, very bad, okay? It's We Karnataka, KCET and both Telegram.
Link is there in the description, so go check it out. Join the Telegram channel. Every single notes, updates, or it could be, all the PDF, everything will be available on the Telegram channel. Join
Exactly.
our
And
Telegram.
sometimes you can also talk to us.
We'll be coming live on the Telegram also. Right. Ma'am, then
Kingdom.
plant kingdom, 2 to 3 questions, very important. Okay. Now cell basic as well as then we have cell cycle also, good questions will come. Plant physiology, you can see 2 to 3 questions usually. Okay. Then animal kingdom, sexual organization and biomolecules, 1 question. So, ಎಲ್ಲ class 11 to 1 to 2 question ಅಷ್ಟೇ maximum.
Okay, so only human physiology students you'll see 2 to 3 questions, but otherwise all are in 1 to 2 questions.
Here also you can see.
See, cell cycle, morphology, plant growth, breathing, everything is 0 to 1 question. That means sometimes even questions will not even be there.
That is
Okay.
locomotion.
Yeah, locomotion questions illa. So neural control and coordination, chemical coordination, 1 question. This is most sure. Okay.
Now, one question will be there always.
Now let's go to the 70, 80%, 75% weightage.
Class 12, if you see here, you can see here also. See,
Chunk 4, 5.
already you can see increasing number of questions.
Yeah. So students, sexual reproduction 4 to 5 questions. Okay, 8 questions is not possible, but 4 to 5 questions to pakka. Okay.
The same goes for, see, both the reproduction. Human reproduction, plant reproduction, ಎರಡು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ 3 to 4 questions. ಓಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್, ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಾಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂನು. Okay.
Microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis.
Right. Molecular basis of inheritance, genetics. Maximum questions will come from genetics. 5 to 7 questions. Even the principles of variation, 4 to 5 questions. Maximum questions from genetics.
Let's keep maximum questions as 5 questions. Okay,
Yeah.
4 to 5 questions is maximum. But sometimes there are chances that the examiner is like, oh, let it be, and
Extra
then go.
question ಕೊಡು. Difficult. Numerical.
So 6 to 7 questions. Okay.
So students, the general trend in your class 12 is more questions in genetics, more questions in your the reproduction part.
Yeah.
Less question in your EVS part.
Okay.
So microbes you can see 3 to 4 questions. Usually it's 2 to 3 actually. Then ecosystem, biotech good questions, ma'am. Biotech
Good questions. will
last
come,
paper you did you see, ma'am?
Yeah, last 2 papers. In the first page itself, around 3-4 questions were there.
First page only 3 to 4 questions there from genetics.
Yes.
Or your biotech. Then we have evolution, environmental issues.
Okay. 2 to 1 question.
This is gone only anyway. This is gone only, but you should know that ecosystem, population, and diversity. Very few questions. More questions will come from genetics as well as your reproduction. Biotechnology, as ma'am said.
Yeah, biotechnology also students, good 3 to 4 questions can come. Application and principle mix karke.
So you should know right now syllabus ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. You also know the weightage now, where you should put high weightage. So class 12th ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ class 11th ನ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. Okay na? So class 12th you should know the few topics which you need to cover.
Now we'll go to the deleted portions. Okay?
Which you should not read only. You should not read. Do not even smell this.
Okay.
Completely ignored.
It's okay if the questions come, you can just put the question number and move forward because the government has made a decision to make it sure that this time such kind of things does not happen.
It won't be happening, but if it happens also, yes, attend madi. You'll know negative marking, but though it will not be considered, don't worry. Okay. Say in living world, entire what is living, taxonomical aids, everything is removed. Plant kingdom, angiosperms, life cycle, removed. Morphology, the starting parts, 2-3 pages. Modifications, removed. Then in anatomy, the tissues removed. Secondary growth, completely removed. See, I have written section in here, but the entire thing is removed. Secondary growth is removed. Ma'am?
Structural organization students, the entire animal tissues is removed, earthworm, cockroach is removed, only frog is there in your new NCRT, so that is what is given here. Okay, then when we go to biomolecules, again, so same thing, no, nature.
Same. Students in biomolecules also the major chunk that is still there. Proteins, fats, amino acids, carbohydrates, everything is there. Only this part which everyone should skip. Generally they should skip this.
Yeah.
That is part is removed.
Transport.
Entire 2 chapters removed. Plant growth, photoperiodism, vernalization, seed dormancy, 3 topics removed.
Digestion full topic students. Neural control from reflex action up to the ear, everything is deleted. Okay, you have to stop till the brain. Okay, that's where you have to study. Then again, reproduction in organism, full chapter removed. Strategies, full chapter removed. Organism and population, again here and there some portions are being removed. Okay,
students, if you're not able to read all this at one go, you can take a screenshot or it is available on Telegram. Entire PDF will be given to you, don't worry. In ecology, some topics, ecology succession. See, ma'am, this used to be a major chunk before. Board students, they used to always ask Zigzag succession or Hydrarch succession. 5-mark question it was. Gone.
okay.
Gone.
And
Environmental issues, full chapter. As I told earlier, full chapter is removed.
Yes.
So students, that you know the syllabus now, you know the weightage, you also know the deleted portions, what you not to study.
Exactly.
Now the next step is going to be your preparation. So students, on this channel, you will be getting a lots of videos for every single type of problem which you will face. So students, let us know in the comment section, ma'am.
Yes, anything that you're facing students, because we also want to connect with you and we also want to know what is the ground level issues that you're facing. So do not hesitate to put the comments. We are for you and we have started this for the first time again for you. Okay.
Exactly.
So, and we are not new to this. We are been teaching NEET students, so we have been teaching on a higher level. So now we will be able to help you. Now, next thing is, now that you know the syllabus, next your question will be, ma'am, I need a plan how to score well. So the next thing is going to be, students, upcoming the strategy, the master plan for biology will be coming soon on the channel. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel, and let us know in the comments what are the problems that you're facing.
Students, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right, ma'am?
Yes,
Live
we will be
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
doing live.
So come to the live session because it's very interactive. Ma'am will be here for that. So come to the live session. Go check it on the channel right now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the word. ನಾವು ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇ ಕನ್ನಡದವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೇದಾಂತು ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಶೋ ದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಶೋ ದ ಲವ್, and subscribe to the channel.
And put it in the comment, ee sala rank namde.
Exactly. This is our tag right now. Isla rank namde. So we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.